So I'm taking a video of my pond. We've had some horrible wind. It's just died down recently, but I can hear it. It's pretty bad. As you can see, my pond is up pretty high. It's over top the dock. I'm halfway on it. I think my pond just keeps getting bigger and bigger. I guess it's always been this big, but geez, I've worked so much lately, I didn't pay attention to it. I haven't been able to fish. I have a lot of people come here and fish, but I haven't had a chance to do it myself lately. That's kind of my hobby when I'm not working.